cell for the Integra. Got it here in the trunk, the mock-up. It's basically like that. It's an 18 by 9 by, hold on, let me step this. It's a 18 by 9 by, or 20 by 18 by 9. Basically it's gonna look like that. And I already got the sheets already cut and everything. All I got to do is mark them out for the 9 inches that are going up, basically. And I will show you guys how to do that right now. I was gonna buy I was gonna buy a fuel cell that was already pre-made, but they did not have a Jegs, or anybody else didn't have it in stock for the one that I was looking at. So I figured might as well put my fab skills to the test and see about making one on my own. This is 063 thickness aluminum. Don't remember exactly what grade it is, to be honest with you. I think it's 50, 52 or something like that. I'm not sure. But I also did get this piece. This is going to sit at the bottom of the fuel cell. It's going to have, I'm going to get foam also for the fuel cell to keep the fuel from sloshing, or I might build some baffles. I haven't decided quite yet. But this is where the fuel pump assembly is going to sit. It's going to have 2 fuel pumps in it, and this is going to be welded to the bottom. I'm going to drill some holes to kind of keep the fuel going in and out of it, sort of like a stock factory setup, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started on this. I got my brake over there that I'm going to bend everything with, and I'll show you guys the process. So guys, this is the part that gets a little tricky, is trying to fit this stuff up, because like I said, this stuff's pretty thin. It's 063, so you have to go around and fit this up perfectly, or as good as you can get it, because if you don't, and you're not a very good TIG welder, you will blow a hole in it. So I'm going around, and this is all just for test purposes. I still have to take this thing apart and drill all the holes for everything else that I'm adding in, as far as the vents and all the fuel feeds and all that stuff goes. So I'm just test fitting this, because the more prep work that you put into this, the easier it is and the better it'll come out, because I've learned from all the other ones that I've made that look like shit. So just being honest with you guys. So this is the hardest part of it, and that gets a little tedious, but it's worth it in the end.
Throw your cranes up.